Purchasing an auto insurance policy can be either your greatest blessing or your greatest regret. It can be your protection in an extreme circumstance, so make sure you choose wisely. Take the time to read this article, and it will offer you some tips on choosing your next auto insurance policy. If you are short of funds and desperate to reduce your insurance premiums, remember you can always raise your deductible to lower your insurance's cost. This is something of a last-ditch maneuver, though, because the higher your deductible is, the less useful your insurance policy is. With a high deductible, you will end up paying for minor damages entirely out of your own pocket. Consider dropping comprehensive and collision insurance on older vehicles. These insurance options reimburse you in the event of theft or damage to your vehicle but are relatively expensive, even if you have a high deductible. If the replacement value of your vehicle is low, comp and collision insurance is usually not worth the cost. Knowing what coverage you have with car insurance can help you to understand what exactly you're paying for. Things like collision coverage can cover damages to your car but only up to its book value. This kind of insurance carries a deductible. Your premium will be higher if you choose a low deductible. Call your insurance company before you go to buy a new car. Auto insurance can be a huge expense when you are making payments on a car. Leasing a car often has high insurance rates as well. Know what to expect before you buy, and you will have an easier time budgeting. When you are considering which policy to buy, make sure you carefully consider how much coverage you truly need. Do you want both collision and comprehensive coverage or just one? Also, make sure to compare policy prices from different companies, as similar policies from different companies can vary significantly in cost. Be aware of the requirements placed on your vehicle by the lien holder. If you still owe money on your vehicle, the bank that holds your loan may have requirements on your auto insurance above and beyond state minimums. Be sure to know what these are before you start shopping for cheaper policies. Before deciding on an auto insurance policy, learn about what each of the options cover. You will be able to obtain great savings if you understand what you actually need in an auto insurance policy. Do you need the towing option? Or did your new car come with that option? Thoroughly study your policy before signing on the dotted line. Being an auto dealership can have its insurance perks. You must maintain insurance policies on the vehicles you carry, but you can get a deal for this through dealer's insurance. These policies will allow you to drive any of the company-owned cars, essentially eliminating the need for personal auto insurance. It is vital that when making an automobile accident claim, that you have all the information available for the insurance company. Without it, your claim may not go through. Some things you need to have ready for them include the make and year of the car you got into an accident with, how many people were in each car, what kinds of injuries were sustained, and where and when it happened. Try to dig up as much information about how a particular car insurance company handles claims. There are some out there that will get the work done on your car as quickly as your mechanic can do the work, and there are others that will really drag their feet when it comes to paying out a claim. Know what the different types of coverage are and what types are available to you in your state. There is body and property liability, uninsured motorist coverage, coverage of medical expenses, collision and comprehensive coverage. Don't assume your plan includes all types of coverage. Many insurance companies offer a la carte plans. The decision of settling on an auto insurance policy is not one to be taken lightly, because if you pick a less than perfect policy, Murphy's Law would have it that you will not be fully covered. Make sure to get the right fit, and you'll be protected in case of an emergency. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.